This time, we will wire the sheet symbols to complete the connectivity in the hierarchical design. Move the processor underscore power sheet symbol directly in contact with the I/O logic block sheet symbol so that the sheet entries line up beside each other. Notice that a small green checkmark will appear. Drag the processor underscore power sheet symbol away from the other sheet symbol, back to its original position. Wires should appear connecting the two blocks. This is dependent on your preferences. If the wires do not automatically appear, try again while holding down the Control key. From the Place menu, select Place, Bus. Start the bus at the relay sheet entry on the mid-2 sheet symbol and extend it halfway to the mid-1 sheet symbol. Proceed downwards so that there is sufficient amount of bus wire available for wires to extend to relay 1 and relay 2 sheet entries of the mid-1 sheet symbol, and then left-click. Right-click twice to exit the bus command. Wire the relay 1 and relay 2 sheet entries of the mid-1 sheet symbol to the bus using Place, Wire. Right-click to end the command when you're finished. Label the bus and bus connections using the Place, Net Label command. With the net label attached to the cursor, hover over the relay sheet entry and press the Insert key. The new net label inherits the relay name. Alternatively, press Tab and manually change the value. Left-click to place the relay net label on the bus. With a new net label still attached to your cursor, hover your cursor over the relay 1 sheet entry in the mid-1 sheet symbol. Press Insert so that the net label picks up the relay 1 sheet entry name. Alternatively, press Tab and manually change the value. Left-click to place the net label on the extended wire from the relay 1 sheet entry. After placing the net label on the cursor automatically increments to relay 2. Left-click to place the relay 2 net label on the wire extending from the relay 2 sheet entry. Right-click to exit the command. If the schematics are not the first document shown in the project's panel, go to the Source Documents section and select the top level schematic and move it to the first position. Now save the modifications by selecting File, Save All. We've come to the end of our discussion on how to wire schematic sheets together to complete the connectivity within a hierarchical schematic.